All right, buddy.
You should put it in fast, like every fast meet.
We're at Mac Dick. I'm charging my phone because I need battery. But I'm just chilling, bro. Not much. I need a tripod that goes like this. Boy, yeah, bro.
Who won, Dortmund?
Bro, look. Yeah, Dortmund won.
That's what I say.
You gotta watch the highlights. Put the highlights on. Okay. My mom. Hey yo, chat. It's your boy Lalo. I'm back with a motherfucking video. Right now we're headed to a car meet known as SLS with my brother. And my parents are in the back. They wanted to come, but it's pretty chill. Yeah. He's gonna be the cameraman for today, so y'all gotta rate his camera skills. No cap. No cap.
Hay uno que trae una camarita en el cofre, ¿no?
Sí. Car meet right now.
Las pinches señoras bien poca más.
¿A qué?
Sí, a ver.
Ay, ese niño no lo conozco. ¿Es el que va a cortarse el pelo? ¿Tienes Lalo?
Hey yo. Alright. We're chilling here. Hold up.
Because they're doing everything over there.
Yeah. There's a bunch of shit. This shit whole pack, bro. No cap. We got a Subi chilling. We're waiting for my homie though, but he hasn't pulled up. We're gonna walk around and check out the whips. So, yeah. Oh shit. Damn, bro, that shit's clean as shit. Oh shit.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh shit. Oh, nice.
I just got it.
Hi guys.
Yo, look at that R33. Oh fuck, you can't see that. Fuck. clippers. I should have cut your hair. Oh, boy. How long do you think this will take to get it shut down? What's your predictions? How many? An hour? 40 minutes? 30? Oh, shit.
Liberty one? Like 45 minutes.
Bro, if we're gonna have to get out, we're cooked, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna fucking.
We're done.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna go to the second one? Or not?
Yeah, I think we are.
There's no fucking light here, bro. So, we're cooked. We're cooked. There's no light. A bunch of shit is packed, though. Packed as fuck. Oh. Alright, bro.
Low pops, low burbles.
Fuck. Now where my parents at, bro? We got a fucking daddle. Chat. This shit getting packed. Next meet is at Bennett. Shit. I don't think I'm gonna go because that shit a little too far. Oh, police coming. They're all over here, bro. Low-key, the light fucked everything up. I'm not gonna lie. The light fucked everything. Fuck this. La migra, wey. La pinche migra. Mama huevo. This shit's fucking fresh. Valió pito. Hey. Damn, bro. Bro, that R33 is so clean.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Bro, that shit's sick.
Oh. It wants to take off.
No, dead ass. Imagine that shit just flies off. Scared? Oh shit.
Not scared, not really, no.
But you're just like,
oh shit. I like the adrenaline, but it's so bad, but it's like, I don't know, I like it.
Yeah. Fuck. Now I'm trying to wait for my parents because they ain't coming. Bro, I don't know where they went. They're like, fuck. Yeah.
What if they got into the game tickets?
Imagine. They probably did, bro. And I'm over here trying to piss.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean?
Come here. Rev it. Rev that shit. Alright, go Dalton. Go. Okay, okay. Okay.
Bro, he sounds like me.
I have a rep limiter, okay?
Oh yeah, I forget. That's the thing.
Oh! Oh, shoot.
The poor red one there.
How do they do that? How do they do that? How do they do that? Oh shit, bro. This shit jam. This shit crazy, bro. This shit's all packed. Oh, everybody's dipping. Everybody's dipping. Alright, I think I need a dip though. Bruh, chat. We're trying to. Yo. 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 Bro, I'm at the car. I'm waiting for my parents. Shit. Alright, we're about to dip. What? Bro, that's so tough. Alright guys, currently it is 12:36. I couldn't record because fucking y'all couldn't see that much shit because I didn't have like, because the lights weren't there, they weren't working. But we just got home. It was a cool trip. I didn't really do nothing. I didn't really do anything crazy because I don't know, personally I like taking